No 12 volts here. No 12 volts here. 12 volts here. So pulling out the knee, what they call this, I don't know what is this one, but it's over here, secured by two T20 bolts over here and over here. Pull this out. Mine is really a mess because I have the remote start module in here and it's just hanging, and these are the fuses. So I think we're looking for fuse number 11. So the fuse for that is number 11 and that's the number 15 fuse over here. So it's like this is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So I get a long nose pliers and take this out. Let's see if it's really broken. So we inspect it, and it is broken. Yep, it's blown. Yeah, I don't have some 15 ampere small fuses, ATOs. I think it's a mini ATO fuse, but I have a 10 ampere one, so it's better to go lower than higher actually. And I don't really put like high wattage devices on the cigarette lighter, so I think 10 ampere would work fine. Yeah, this is from one of my toolbox. I usually keep like some spare fuses if I could find one. So we'll try to put this one in. So we'll put the fuse back in. And try to start the car. Okay, back to, now I have a cigarette lighter. Try test the back side. Yep, that one works too. Cool.